Hello there, friend. Before we get started, check out our new BrightenUp Kids Gratitude and Positivity Activity Journal, which has 100 colorful pages filled with prompts, feeling meters, and positive affirmations, available now on Amazon. Hello there, friend. I'm so happy you're here. How are you? I just love summertime. How about you? Let's pretend we're on a warm, sandy beach. Go ahead and reach up to the sky and feel the sun on your fingertips. And reach down to the ground and feel how soft and warm the sand is. Good. Reach up to the sky again. Spread your fingertips and feel the sun on all of your fingers. And reach down to the ground and feel the soft, warm sand. Great job! Now let's pretend we're birds flying over the ocean. Stand up nice and tall and reach your arms out to the side, like you're spreading your wings. Maybe you're a seagull or a pelican. Now imagine yourself soaring over the ocean. Now soar to the right by tilting your body to the right and raising your left arm up to the sky. Feel the wind blowing through your feathers. Good. Now let's soar to the left by tilting your body to the left and raising your right arm up to the sky. Great job! Now let's fly higher by flapping your wings 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Great job! Let's land safely back on the ground. Now let's pretend we're flamingos. Stand up nice and tall and balance on your left foot by placing your right foot on the side of your left knee. Great job! Remember, you are a super cool pink flamingo. Stand up nice and tall. Make sure everyone can see how cool you look. Nice! Now switch legs. Balance on your right foot and place your left foot on the side of your right knee. Wow! You look awesome as a pink flamingo. Great job! Now let's pretend we're crabs in the sand. Crouch down like you're a crab. Aw, you're such a cute crab! Let's do a happy little crab dance and bounce up and down 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Amazing job! Now let's pretend we are a beautiful butterfly. Go ahead and sit on the sand with your knees bent and your feet together. Think of what color butterfly you want to be. Maybe you're a rainbow butterfly, or a purple butterfly, or a butterfly that is the colors of the ocean. Now flap your wings by raising your knees up and down 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Great job! Such a graceful butterfly. Now go ahead and lay on your tummy. And lift your chest up like you're a seal. Great job! Lift your chest up nice and high. Now sit back on your heels with your chest on the ground and your arms stretched out in front of you. Now you're a seashell. Think about what your seashell looks like. Maybe you have swirls of colors, or a cool design, or you have lots of ridges, or maybe you're nice and smooth. Great job! How do you feel? Let's do that all again 2 more times. Go ahead and stand up and reach up to the sky. Feel the sun on your fingertips. And reach down to the ground and feel the soft, warm sand. Again, reach up to the sky. And reach down to the ground. Good job! Now stand up nice and tall. And spread your wings. Soar to the right. Feel the stretch down your side. And soar to the left. Good. Now flap your wings 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Now land safely on the ground and stand like you're a super cool flamingo. Balance on your left foot. Now on your right foot. Good. Now crouch down and be a happy little crab in the sand. And do a little crab dance by bouncing up and down 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Nice! Now let's transform into a beautiful butterfly. Sit with your feet together. Remember what color you want to be. And flap your wings 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Good. Now lay on your stomach like a silly seal. Keep your chest high and feel the stretch down your chest and back. And slowly transform into a seashell by sitting back on your heels and stretching your arms out in front of you. Remember all the details of the seashell you want to be. The colors, the textures. Great job! Let's do that all again 1 more time. Go ahead and stand up nice and tall. And reach up to the sky and feel the sun on your fingertips. and reach down to the ground and feel the soft, warm sand. One more time. Reach up to the sky. And reach down to the ground. Good. Now it's time to spread our wings and fly. Stretch your arms out to the side. And get ready to soar over the ocean. Soar to the right, feeling the stretch down your side. And soar to the left. Feel the ocean breeze through your feathers. Now flap your wings 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And safely land on the sand. Great job! Now it's time to be the coolest flamingo you have ever seen. Stand up nice and tall. Make sure everyone can see how pink your feathers are. And balance on your left foot. And now your right foot. Now crouch down and turn into a happy little crab. And do your happy little crab dance by bouncing 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Great! Now transform into a beautiful butterfly. Sit down on the ground with your feet together. And think about your colorful wings. Now flap your wings 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Good. Now lay on your tummy and become a silly seal. Raise your chest up high and look up to the sky. And sit back on your heels with your arms stretched out in front of you. And become a seashell. Think about all the details of your seashell. The color, the shape, the texture. Great job! Now go ahead and lay on your back like you're a starfish. Stretch out your arms and legs. And relax and sink into the soft, warm sand underneath you. Feel the sun warming your skin. Now take 3 deep breaths. Slow, deep breath in through your nose. And gently breathe out through your mouth. Good job. Slow, deep breath in through your nose. And gently breathe out through your mouth. One more time. Slow, deep breath in through your nose. And gently breathe out through your mouth. Great job! How do you feel? Remember, You can return to this video anytime you want a relaxing day on the beach. For more positive content, check out our new Brighten Up Kids Gratitude and Positivity Activity Journal, available now on Amazon. You can also check out the Brighten Up Kids podcast on your favorite podcast platform. Thank you for taking time to relax with me today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope you have an amazing day.